Hello friends, welcome to the Mental Gym Chess Academy YouTube channel. This video is a part of a new series on thematic tactics. So our today's topic is fork, or we also call as double attack. So let's start. This is the position in front of you. It is white to play. We will start with a very basic example. And here white plays the move knight d7 check. So the knight is also checking the king and at the same time attacking the black's queen. And hence it is a double attack, which we also call as fork. And here, because of check, the king has to move and we will take the queen on the next move and get a winning position. Okay, so the fork is basically attacking 2 or 3 pieces at the same time. There could be more pieces also. So this was about knight fork. Let's see another example. This position is white to play. You can try to find the move. And this time white plays the move of e4. And the pawn e4, which is supported with the f3 pawn, is attacking the 2 pieces at the same time. So this is pawn fork. Black has only one move and he can save one of his pieces, not both. So let's say he saves his bishop. We will take the knight on the next move and get a winning position. One more example. This position is white to play. This time we are going to see the fork delivered by our rook. And here white plays the move rook b7, giving check to black king and at the same time attacking the black's bishop. This is quite forcing. Black king has to move and then we take the bishop on the next move and get a winning position. These tactics are very common and they keep on repeating in your games. Let's see the next example. This position is also white to play. You can find the move. And yes, correct. Here we play bishop f5, deliver, check and attacking the rook at the same time. So we call this as a bishop fork or also double attack simply. When the king moves, we take the rook and we will win with the extra pawn. Another example, white to play. You can pause the video and try to find the move. Here white plays the move queen d5 check and at the same time attacking the a8 rook. So again a queen fork or double attack. King has to move and we take on a8. Here we get full 5 points for free because of the tactics. Now let's see some advanced examples. This position is white to play. I'll recommend you to pause the video and at least think for 2 to 3 minutes. In this position, there is no direct fork available. We have to create it. And here white plays a very stunning move, that is queen h8 check. It looks like the queen is unsupported and black king can just take it. But when black's king captures our queen, see this piece placement. It is also losing the support of f7 rook. And after knight into f7, we win the rook. And again here we are checking the black king and at the same time attacking the queen also. King has to move and we take the extra queen. So in this whole transaction we got extra rook, full 5 points. This position is winning for white with extra knight. White to play. Pause the video and try to think for the move. Here also we have to create the position for the fork. Here white plays again a very beautiful move queen b8 using the same technique. King has to take the free queen But when it takes the bishop on d7 is unsupported and we take the d7 bishop, check him and at the same time attack his queen. King has to move and we take the free queen. We will win with the extra knight. So I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.